Welcome to an exploration of variability, focusing on the human side of standard deviation. Our goal is to unify the powerful perspectives of psychology and data science. Variability is everywhere, from stock markets to human emotions. It's simply the degree to which data points differ from each other, and the average. In data science, variability describes the spread or dispersion of a dataset. Knowing the average is only half the story. We need to know how reliable that average is. The principal tool for quantifying this spread is the standard deviation, or SD. It tells us the typical distance between any data point and the mean. Let's start with a foundational look at standard deviation from a purely data science perspective. Visually, the standard deviation shows us whether data is tightly packed around the average, representing low SD, or widely dispersed, indicating high SD. SD is crucial for statistical inference, helping us build accurate models, understand prediction errors, and assess the reliability of our findings. Now let's bridge this concept to psychology and human behavior, where variability is not just a statistical nuisance, but the essence of individuality. In psychology, we know that human traits rarely fit perfectly at the average. Rather, they exist across a vast, beautiful spectrum, reflecting the diversity of human experience. Think about examples like reaction times in a safety test, mood scores tracked over a month, or performance levels under various stressors. All exhibit significant variability. When applied to psychological data, standard deviation offers a clear window into the depth of human diversity. A high standard deviation in a trait means there are significant individual differences. For instance, in creativity scores, a high SD suggests a wide range of abilities, from very low to exceptional. Conversely, a low SD indicates people are very similar on that measure, often suggesting the behavior is highly regulated, perhaps by strong social norms or situational constraints. Understanding the human side of standard deviation moves beyond theory into powerful, practical applications. In education and therapy, SD guides personalization. A wide SD in learning styles means one-size-fits-all won't work, necessitating tailored interventions and custom feedback. In organizational design, understanding the SD of team performance helps managers identify whether variance is due to skill gaps or individual strengths that should be leveraged for better results. By merging the statistical rigor of data science with the depth of psychological understanding, we gain a holistic view of human metrics. Ultimately, standard deviation is not just a mathematical formula. It is the statistical measure that quantifies the richness and diversity of the human spectrum. It's where data meets humanity. Embracing individual variability, guided by the precise metric of standard deviation, leads to better science, fairer policies, and a deeper appreciation for who we are.